I have a quick question for you. Have you ever felt nervous? Your hands were sweating, your voice was breaking or shaking when you stood in front of the people. Don't worry. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope that you are on top of the world. I am also on cloud 9. So today, before starting my video, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever felt nervous? Your hands were sweating, your voice was breaking or shaking when you stood in front of the people. Don't worry, you are not alone. Most of the people, I mean 70% of the people feel same. That's why today I'm here to share with you some practical tips or real life example that how to overcome the fear of public speaking. So you can see this is speaking Minnesota in front of you, and as you know, I'm a public speaker and English content creator. So I practice my English daily to improve my fluency and to remove my hesitation. So in today's video, I want to share with you some practical tips and real life example that how to overcome the fear of public speaking. So my friends, the first thing is that you have to think, you have to consider that fear is a normal thing. Even greatest speaker in the history have felt nervous. Fear is not your enemy. It's just the energy that we can turn into the confidence. So I have my real life experience about the fear of public speaking. I still remember my first presentation in my university. When I stood in front of the student, my legs were shaking, my voice was breaking, and even I forgot half of my speech. Then I felt embarrassed, but instead of giving up, I started my practicing in front of the mirror, in front of the camera, and even in front of the little of the people. I mean, there are few people I started in front of them. So gradually I gained confidence, and a few months later I gave another presentation. That time I spoke clearly, I made eye contact, and even though I got a round of applause. So that time I realized fear of public speaking can be beaten or can be defeated by the practice. So, my friends, don't wait for the big stage. Start with the small stage. I mean, start speak in front of the classmate, in front of the friends, and even though in front of the family. Every small step will make you stronger. And another thing, don't think about the mistakes. Think about what message that you wanna share with the audience. Audience is not here to criticize you. Audience is here to learn from you. So before speaking, take a deep breath, stand with a smile, and maintain the eye contact because your body language tells I am confident. So my friends, fear of public speaking it's not permanent. It's just challenge to overcome. If I could go from a nervous, shaky student from a confident public speaker, so you can too. And remember one thing, my friend, every great speaker was once a beginner. But instead of giving up, they practice a lot English speaking, and now they are confident, they are fluent, they can speak fluently without fear in front of thousands and thousands of people. So my friends, it's your turn. So don't run away from it. Face it, speak up, and shine with confidence. And if this video inspired you to speak in front of the people, and this video helpful for your fear of public speaking, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to share this video with those people who are struggling with the fear of public speaking, because there are some tips that I have shared in this video. This is very useful and helpful to remove the fear of public speaking. So thank you for listening this video till the end. Thank you again.